The intersection of artificial intelligence (AI) and robotics has catalyzed a technological revolution, promising to transform industries, enhance productivity, and improve everyday life. AI robotic technology combines the cognitive capabilities of AI with the physical abilities of robots, enabling machines to perform complex tasks with increasing autonomy and intelligence. This video explores the current state of AI robotic technology, its applications across various sectors, the challenges it faces, and its potential future developments. The evolution of AI robotic technology. Early developments. The origins of robotics can be traced back to ancient civilizations, with myths and legends depicting mechanical beings. However, the modern era of robotics began in the mid-20th century with the development of the first industrial robots, like Unimate, which was introduced in 1961 for use in automotive manufacturing. These early robots were primarily programmed to perform repetitive tasks, limiting their adaptability. The introduction of AI in the 1980s marked a significant turning point. Researchers began to explore machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, leading to the development of robots that could learn from their environment and improve their performance over time. Recent advancements. In recent years, advances in machine learning, especially deep learning, have propelled the capabilities of AI robotic technology. Robots can now recognize objects, understand natural language, and navigate complex environments. The integration of AI algorithms with robotics has led to the emergence of autonomous robots capable of performing tasks in dynamic and unstructured settings. The proliferation of sensors and the Internet of Things (IoT) has further enhanced robotic capabilities. Robots can gather vast amounts of data from their surroundings, analyze it in real time, and make informed decisions. This convergence of technologies has opened new frontiers in automation and intelligent systems. Applications of AI robotic technology. AI robotic technology is making significant inroads across various sectors. Entertainment and consumer robotics. AI robotic technology is also making waves in the entertainment sector. Robots like Boston Dynamics Spot are being used for filming, creating stunning visuals and innovative content. Challenges facing AI robotic technology. Despite its remarkable advancements, AI robotic technology faces several challenges that must be addressed to ensure its widespread adoption and effectiveness. Ethical concerns. As robots become more autonomous, ethical questions arise regarding decision-making and accountability. Concerns about job displacement and the implications of robots in sensitive environments, such as healthcare and law enforcement, necessitate careful consideration of ethical guidelines and regulations. Technical limitations. While AI robotic technology has advanced significantly, limitations still exist. Robots may struggle with complex tasks that require fine motor skills or nuanced judgment. Additionally, the integration of AI with robotics often requires substantial computational resources, posing challenges for real-time processing. Safety and reliability. Ensuring the safety and reliability of AI robots is paramount, particularly in high-stakes environments. Developers must implement robust safety protocols and conduct extensive testing to minimize the risk of accidents and malfunctions. Public trust in AI robotic technology hinges on its ability to operate safely and predictably. Data privacy and security. AI robots rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively. Concerns about data privacy and security are critical, especially when personal information is involved. Establishing frameworks for data protection and ethical data usage is essential to mitigate risks associated with AI robotic technology. The future of AI robotic technology. The future of AI robotic technology is poised for remarkable growth, driven by ongoing research and innovation. Several trends are likely to shape its trajectory in the coming years. Enhanced human-robot collaboration. As robots become more capable, the focus will shift toward collaboration between humans and robots. The development of cobots, collaborative robots designed to work alongside human workers, will become increasingly prevalent, fostering a symbiotic relationship that leverages the strengths of both. Improved learning algorithms. Advancements in machine learning algorithms will enhance the learning capabilities of robots, allowing them to adapt to changing environments and tasks. Reinforcement learning, where robots learn through trial and error, will play a significant role in enabling autonomous systems to operate in dynamic settings. Expansion into new industries. AI robotic technology will continue to penetrate new industries beyond manufacturing and healthcare.